Hey, did you catch that article emphasizing how AI transformation isn't just a tech thing, but more of a leadership imperative?
Yeah, that piece by Dostacope really hit home. The article is saying that companies should show how AI fundamentally changes their offerings and their mindset.
Right. It mentioned that the differentiator isn't just access to AI tools, but really the deep understanding at the top. It's interesting.
Okay, yeah, and if leaders treat AI as something to be delegated, progress slows, according to the article. Initiatives become fragmented, and decision making becomes really cautious.
So it's about leader led learning, right? Leaders experiencing AI firsthand.
Exactly, understanding what problems it can solve, where it brings risks, and how it changes things. Workflows, roles, decision rights, everything, really.
Now, there's this piece about how coding is becoming more of a task and less of a purpose with AI's rise.
Oh, yeah, Desktop's article on that was eye opening. It said that for decades, coding was seen as the pinnacle of thinking, but that's quietly dissolving.
Because AI can write code, refactor systems, and debug faster, right?
Yes, that's right, it reclassifies coding. Execution is no longer scarce, attention is. The bottleneck has really moved.
So it is more about problem discovery, context, judgment, and empathy.
That's what the article said. It's about asking better questions, defining better problems, and exploring uncertain spaces.
There's also a post about identity in the age of cognitive shifts.
Oh, yes. Dastikop's post explored how identity used to follow roles, but now that's changing because tasks evolve faster than titles.
It's shifting from profession to perspective, focusing on how people frame problems and what they protect from optimization.
The post was saying that identity shifts from what you produce to how you decide. That's a huge shift.
This was great.
That's a wrap.